This video is an exploration of beech mushrooms, a guide to nutrition, benefits, and safety. Beech mushrooms are gourmet fungi known for their long stems and small caps grown in tight clusters. From East Asia, they are now cultivated worldwide. In nature, they grow on decaying hardwood trees. Their appeal lies in a firm, crunchy texture and a savory, nutty flavor that intensifies when cooked. They are rich in B vitamins, potassium, fiber, and contain beta-glucans, which supports immune health. Anyone seeking nutrient-dense, low-calorie, delicious foods can benefit from beech mushrooms. However, eating them raw is not recommended as they can be difficult to digest. Always cook them thoroughly. Individuals with a mushroom allergy should avoid them. Allergic reaction is possible for those sensitive to fungi. A standard serving of about 100 grams is a great and healthy addition to your daily meals. Available year-round, they are best incorporated into meals like stir-fries, soups, or stews.
Like and subscribe for more evidence-based nutrition content. All references are listed in the video description.